Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please stay tuned and watch how I attain this simple, pretty and lovely look. So if you're someone that don't really like heavy makeup, this is where you need to be. Yes, my hair is a mess. I was about applying my makeup. I was going to do a photo shoot for my Instagram. And then I thought, you know what, why not record the process of your makeup application. The whole highlighting and contouring, which is very important, it does make your pictures look really beautiful. I do love all of those when I see it. I just don't like the process of it. I think it takes too long, and I'm a very lazy person when it comes to makeup, so I try to simplify things as much as I can. I have got my brow ready, so I've got that done. I had that done before I thought of recording. So, and also please bear with me if my accent is all over the place. Having lived in 3 continents of the world, one minute I sound British, next minute I sound American, and I'm like, yeah, what's going on, girl? And then the next minute I'm sounding Nigerian. Yep, my people alpha, you know. So yeah, that's yeah, I get confused too as well, but I promise you, you will get the message. Yeah, let's do this. So my brow, I did use Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Ebony. This is my favorite. Just a little bit and dab it on your spots if you have any. I know some of you've got amazing skin. Oh god, I wish I do. I've always suffered from hyperpigmentation for a very long time. And please do ignore my hair. Yeah, it's a mess. I need to get a trim. Sometimes I feel like I want to cut the hair off, and sometimes I'm like, oh, just leave it. Go get a trim or something. I'll figure it out somehow. Every part of my face. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, and this was the Cool Tan. Now I'm going to highlight my brows. I'm going to be using the Pure Beige, which is 976. This shade is lighter than the other shade. With the same color, and do that. So I see a lot of makeup artists, they like to paint their eyes first, do their eyeshadow. Me, I just do me. I do which way is convenient for me. Make sure you get the corner of your nose. And oh, one time I did a photo shoot and my nose, the underneath this part was so my skin color because I forgot to put. So yeah, make sure you get that nose, every part of your nose, and of course like that. Get my Laura Mercier powder.
Oh my god, I look like Master. I said, oh my god, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my D, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. But you just beg to see me dance just one more time.
Because this, they're gonna be blending. Very little. I don't do much. On this, I show you how I avoid that. You can use your brush to blend.
So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen
Blend, 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 blend. This is how I do highlight my nose.
and when you're done, I'm back to be that again. They say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, 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 oh. I never seen
Honestly and sincerely, Dorisha. This is what I do. Like I told you guys. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of eyeshadow today. Let me do a little bit of eyeshadow. Shine on the edge. Eye pencil. Got my. There's almost nothing inside. I'm so pissed. So got the message. This one right. Oh god, that's too much. We have a blender. And blend it all in. Blend it all in. My face coming together. What you think? What you think? Do love this one, so I'm gonna be using this one. MAC $8.99. I love this color. Goes with a lot of stuff. It actually does feel like powder on your lips. And there we go. So now let me fix my hair. I'll be right back. And this is it, guys. I've got my wig on. I got this hair from Love Me. I have done a review on this hair. I will work on that video soon. So this is the makeup that I do when I do want to take pictures for Instagram. And also it is very, very okay to blend your neck and part of your chest too as well. I do wear a lot of tattoo necks for my photo shoots. I can't afford for this makeup to stain my clothes, so I don't even bother blending, going all the way with my neck. Most times for it to uniform, for my face to uniform with my body, so I just leave it that way. So yes, but it is very okay to do that. So guys, this is the final look, and hope you enjoyed this. I will try to make more videos, and thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Please do. It does encourage me a lot to want to go out there and do more videos. Thanks.